welcome to Curry TV. On this episode, Cook With Me episode, I have my son, Nikhil, and we're going to make his favorite lunch, what he likes to take to school. Right, Nikhil?
Yeah.
So one of his requirements is that he likes to eat something healthy and that too homemade. So what is one of your favorite things?
Burgers.
Burgers?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Well, your type of burger, because other ones are like, but this one
Okay,
Yeah.
so what is it that you really like about that burger?
The taste of the spice,
Mm-hmm.
and then the crunchiness of all the other ingredients.
The vegetables?
Yeah, vegetables and especially the lettuce. Yeah.
Okay, so we usually go for Boca burgers, which is all vegetarian burgers, patties, vegetarian patties, or we can go with chicken burgers or as well as beef patties, which is what I'm going to use today. This is what I have on hand, and to give it a twist, I'll be making my own mayo sauce with the chipotle. So for this particular sauce, I'm going to be using chipotle diced peppers, which I'm going to combine with mayo. We're going to be using fresh ingredients such as tomato, onion, lettuce, and of course we need buns for our beef patties, and ketchup. Nikhil, do you know what this is?
Yeah. Tiger sauce.
How do you know that?
Because that's the smallest one.
That's the smallest one. This is nice and spicy. It has a smokiness. It adds to the flavor. So let's get to how we make our patties. So beef patties, just follow the instructions on your packet. Whatever instructions they provide in the back, that's how you make your patties. So I already have a few ready, and then I'm going to also need some mayo.
Mm-hmm.
This is something Nikhil doesn't usually see, but what we're going to do is take a regular mayo. Muscle power, please.
Wait, this is supposed to be okay.
Yes, come on, work it out.
It's slippery.
Woo!
Okay.
Baby. Okay, good. Now this is a Mexican chipotle pepper, and we have combined that with our regular mayo. You know how to make mayo, right? Or you can buy store-bought mayo like I'm using today. We're going to combine a little bit of these two and mix it up and then put together the sandwich or the burger itself. So let me mix both of these and come back. Alright, so we got our chipotle mayo ready. This is how I make it, just how spicy you like it. Add a few dashes of that chipotle sauce along with a couple spoons of mayo. Mix it very well. This is how it looks like. I usually put the jalapeno mustard. Now this is really spicy. It will actually give you the kick. Okay, this is how we make burgers for him when he takes it to school. So what you do is take your burger buns, put a dab of this, okay. Okay, and then we add fresh lettuce. This is washed, drained, ready to go. And then, how many tomatoes for you?
Let's do 3.
3? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice and juicy. Regular tomatoes. And then I like to add my beef
Onion.
patty.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I do it differently. And on top of this is where we put a dab of your jalapeno mustard. It's really nice and spicy, okay? It is really, really, really spicy. And then usually in the morning I do grill their veggies, and along with that I just add that and coat this with a little bit of that. Can you wait till tomorrow?
No.
They're supposed to take this for their lunch tomorrow, but I doubt that this is going to stay as it is till then. But let me show you another version of this burger. I'm just going to put this to the side. Do not touch.
Okay.
Do not touch. Why don't you show how to make your own sandwich?
My own sandwich?
Yes. How spicy would you like it?
Okay, you take this to the side, okay? And then
You gotta walk through.
Oh yeah, just spread the mustard, spicy
Mayo.
mustard. Oh, mayo. See, I did it differently. You did it. You first put the lettuce and then all that. I didn't do that.
Okay, fine. Do your thing. Do your thing.
Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Now we take the lettuce. Okay. Okay. Now we take the tomato. You did 3. I did 2.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you take the burger patty. And then you add some of this.
That's right. Now I usually don't put it the night before.
Yeah.
Because that it will sog up.
Yeah, but we're eating it right now, so that's why.
Okay, fine. So this is his dinner for tonight. Okay, fine. Go ahead. My God, you sure about that?
Yep.
Really?
Y-
Okay.
You know,
I'm just jumping.
yeah,
Yeah, but
okay.
what do I know?
Yeah. I don't feel like this is that spicy, so I add this.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you add that.
Yes. Do you need ketchup?
No, I don't want ketchup.
Yeah. You sure?
It smells good.
Just a tab.
Just
okay?
yeah.
Just a tad bit goes a long ways. Squeeze it, but okay.
Okay. 2 dots.
Okay. Fine. Precise. 2
Yeah.
dots. Okay, fine. No problem.
2
I
dots.
give it to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
Jam it up.
voila.
Voila. Now that's your version of burger.
Yep.
I hope you enjoyed this. Our version of burger. Indianized American burger. Spicy burger. Do give it a try. It's really nice. It's really good. And for the girls, I usually don't put this little guy or this. I just go with the rest of all this, which is the ketchup, this chipotle mayo sauce, along with lettuce, onion, and tomatoes, and with the beef patties or boca patties that we use, which is veggie. And that's made with black beans and all kinds of veggies in that boca burger. Now you can grill them or bake them depending on what your desire is. Please follow the instructions on the package. Give it a try. Let us know in the comments below if you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. Stay tuned for more videos on Curry TV.
And
You want to say something?
no.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're good?
Yeah.
All right.
And like down below, please.
Like, subscribe, all that goodies.
Yep. Boop. That's how simple. Boop, boop. That's it.
Right, that's
Yeah.
it.